How to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi to Xbox. Turn on your Xbox console and wait until the home screen fully loads on the TV. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the main guide menu. Scroll to the Profile and System section in the guide menu. Open the Settings option from the menu to access System Settings. Select the General section from the list of settings options. Open the Network Settings page to manage internet connections. Choose the option that allows you to set up a wireless network. Wait for the Xbox to scan and display available Wi-Fi networks nearby. Look through the list and find your Xfinity Wi-Fi network name. Select the Xfinity Wi-Fi network to begin the connection process. Type the Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard carefully. Confirm the password and continue to connect the Xbox to the network. Wait a few moments while the console attempts to connect to the internet. Check the connection status and start using Xbox online features once it connects successfully. Thank you for watching.